about me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
I need to not pick up my phone. I'll go straight to airplane mode. Find something to do. I know I can be a little bit.
Hey loves, welcome back. I am so excited to be filming makeup looks for you guys again. For today's look, I am using Brittany's new palette with Beauty Creations. I'm taking this first shade, which is Unbothered. It's this like matte lilac purple, and I'm going to be using this as the base for all of the other colors. So just apply that in your lid.
On Mars, but love has treated me so wrong. This year all I've got to show are songs, and
Next, we're going to be taking the shade Pisces, and we're going to be applying this all over our lids. And I used to, honestly, you guys, not know how to really use these shimmer shades, but I love using them now for smoky eyes. So just make sure you blend it out with the previous shade. And another trick I like to use is use any glitter adhesive and use that to apply any shimmer shade, and it makes it pop out more. And I'm just applying this on the center to give it the halo effect. My favorite eyeliner is the Mega Liner in the shade Dark Brown. And I'm going to show you guys the trick to my smoky eyes, and that is that I take the darkest shade, and I'm taking this one, it is Drip, and I'm going to be placing it on top of the eyeliner and using it to smoke it out. And this gives your eye so much more depth and definition, and it just makes your eye so much more smoky. Then I also go in with the previous shades and make sure that you can still see all of the colors, so don't be afraid to go back in and make sure that all your colors are still very vibrant. I'm also taking the shade Drip on my lower lash line, and now I'm just prepping my eyelashes for the falsies. But honestly, you guys, I love this look just with my natural lashes. I would totally wear it without the other lashes, but I just wanted to show you guys what it looked like with the falsies, because honestly they look so pretty. Here they are so wispy and they're ready to go, like they're so curly and perfect. So here I am applying them, and now I'm gonna jump back in and let you guys see how I finish my face. So, I mean, a lot of things have changed since I was on YouTube. Like, now I don't live with my parents anymore. I am living in my own house. I became a homeowner at 21, which was always a huge goal of mine. So I'm very proud of myself for accomplishing that. But now my life, I feel, is pulling me towards more things. So new goals, new mindset, you know, all of that. I'm going to be taking the e.l.f.
whatever the fuck this is, and just, you know, to...
And I just placed this 1, 2, 3 like that. And then I take the Maybelline, and then this is in Fair Clear. Oh, and Cool Ivory. So this one's very light. And I just placed that on top of this concealer. Now I'm gonna be baking. So I'm gonna be taking their face palette, and I'm gonna be taking the darkest shade. Remember to always blend up. But yeah, you guys, so comment down below what you guys would really love to see more on my channel on. I also have like so many story times. Like, my friends are always telling me to do story times because they're like, literally, Cass, like, your life is crazy. I'm gonna be going into the pink one. I love Vibrant Blushes. See, now kind of in the front, but also dragging it up a little bit. And I'm the girl that puts blush on her nose. I'll be using Brianna's combo. So this is the lip liner. It is so pretty, you guys. Yeah, like for me, you guys, this is literally like spot on my perfect lip liner. And I love using just lip liners and glosses. So I know this lip combo I'm gonna be in love with. This is the lip gloss right here. It is so cute. Alright you guys, well that is the final look for today. If you guys have any suggestions of any particular looks you would like to see, make sure to leave a comment down below. But other than that, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys on my next YouTube video. Bye!
Damn, look, I look like Mona Lisa right now. Hold on.
I need to not pick up my phone. I'll go straight to airplane mode. Find something to do. I know I can be a little